OnePlus is going to introduce a new and amazing smartphone under its Ace series, Oneplus Ace 4 Pro, which is going to be the successor of Ace 3 Pro. According to leaks, Oneplus's new smartphone is going to be the first smartphone with Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 processor. Even before the launch, some features of this smartphone have been leaked online. In today's video, we will give information about the full leaked features, price, and launch date of this great smartphone. So let's get started. Features of OnePlus Ace 4 Pro. Display. OnePlus Ace 4 Pro flagship phone is going to get 6.85-inch 8T LTPO AMOLED display. This display has many great features, like pixel resolution of 2780 x 1264, 120 Hz refresh rate, peak brightness up to 4500 nits, 2160 Hz high-frequency PWM dimming, 360 Hz touch sampling rate, Dolby Vision, and Corning Gorilla Glass Victus 3 protection. We'll get to see. Apart from this, the phone will also be provided with in-display fingerprint sensor and IP68 rating for water and dust protection. Camera setup. OnePlus Ace 4 Pro has a triple rear camera with LED, in which 50-megapixel primary sensor is going to be available, in which Sony IMX890 sensor is going to be available with OIS support. Apart from this, it is expected to have 8-megapixel ultra-wide camera and 5-megapixel macro camera with Sony IMX355 sensor. In other side, 32-megapixel Samsung sensor is going to be available for selfie and video calling. Chipset. This new OnePlus Mobile is going to come with octa-core Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 chipset. It is based on 4nm mobile platform, and it offers Adreno 750 GPU. Well, if we talk about the operating system, you will get to see Android 15 in it. Battery backup. These features of OnePlus Ace 4 Pro have attracted everyone's attention, because this phone has a powerful battery of 6100 mAh. To charge this powerful battery, 120-watt Super VOOC fast charging will be provided. Price or launch date. Talking about the price of its starting variant is expected to be around $700. And if we talk about the launch date, no official information has been received about it. But according to the leaks, it can be introduced in the beginning of next year.